very exciting video today. It's pretty simple. It's 3 ways how I earn money for myself, how I sustain this channel, how I sustain, well, my life basically. It's all part of being a content creator. So if you're any way like me, you want to live from the internet, this might be a video for you.
1, 2, 3, listen.
So guys, I've never done this, so take a notebook out. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, comment section below. Let's get to it. It's really cool. Actually, this video starts here in Latvia.
Can you feel it?
I'm actually doing step 1 myself, making content for other people. So lately I've seen a lot of bullshit on the internet. It's about YouTubers being paid and everyone wants to know how we monetize our videos. Well, truth is, if you're a small creator, you don't earn that lot of money through AdSense or stuff like that. You have to work for that, because we all need to eat at the end of the day, no? So besides YouTube, I decided to go freelance and, well, do a one-man band production company, if you will. So what I do is I make videos myself for clients that need some kind of video for social media or science. Well, science is what I'm here for right now.
I know where I'm going. I don't know when I'll get there. I'm ready for the road.
Now we're at location, University of Latvia, to film some science.
Ready for the road. This time I won't let go.
Now, there are 4 main types of content that companies would be looking for. It really depends on your skill set. The first one is pretty simple and it's the biggest one. It's video content. There's so many to do around video. You can do small parts, you can do full keynotes, you can do a vlog, whatever. For a company, it's a big deal. Video marketing is in the rise, especially with Facebook now putting all its efforts into the video part, so don't forget about that. So if you're a video creator, that's awesome. Other things to think about, well, the visuals. You can do, like, really design-wise, make it your brand style. So for designers, this is a big plus, as this is probably your main type of content that you're going to be working on. You can do quotes, you can do like infographics, stuff like that. So there's a whole market for that as well. And then we have audio content. So this could be podcasts, it could be radio spots, all types of stuff which involve audio, which is awesome because you can combine that as well with video content, for example. And then the next one, the last one, it's copy. And this one cannot be overlooked. If you are a copywriter, you have so much stuff you can do. You can do copy for websites, you can do copy for captions for social media, you can do captions or stuff for advertising. Words sell shit. And that's why it's so important to also and not forget that part of content. Now, to put that a little bit in perspective, something that you can do with all these types of content is, for example, I made a video about Casey Neistat a while ago. So I filmed a get-together, some stuff like that. You can watch it somewhere here on the screen. Now, that's 20 minutes of information right there. So I asked a friend of mine who is a transcriber. He transcribed all of that into written words, so I can use that for a blog or something like that. And then besides that, I can use pictures, which I made also that day for visuals. I have the full video, so that's the video on itself, and I can strip that audio down to make a podcast out of this. So from one piece of content, I actually made 4 types, which I can use on social media. And then the key part is using that to sell that to your clients. Actually, that's what I'm doing right now. I am making videos for a science program. I get to earn my day rates and they have videos to put on social media. And you know the best part of it all? You can work from anywhere in the world. I have clients from America, I'm from Belgium. I have clients from Latvia, I'm from Belgium. So there are no boundaries to where you have to be unless you just maybe need to get into a plane. Like I did now. But that's what makes it so dope, right? need to pack. Okay, let's just do this one quickly and do the rest. All of that later when we're back in the studio. Consulting. This is the part that a lot of people and a lot of creators actually forget about. It's not only about the video, it's not only about the picture, it's not only about the podcasts, it's also about how you distribute them. You see, we're not only trying to create stuff just to put it out there on the internet, we're also trying to create and build a personal brand. So that means we're not only in charge of making the content, we're actually in charge of screenwriting, production, post-production, distribution, and marketing. I truly believe that a lot of businesses, big businesses, small businesses, are actually missing out on that everyday practice that we have. So there's a key advantage for us creators. You know, the grind of putting up like new engaging content, engaging with your audience. Like, I don't see a lot of businesses, I don't see them scrolling through their phone at night trying to reply to every comment there was, trying to build an audience. I think that's something that we know how to do. Now, first and for all, I think mostly what's important is that a lot of businesses don't know how to do social media marketing. So if you know how to put up a content plan, if you know how to post stuff on the internet and keep it updated and don't let them worry about that, then you can be very helpful. And I mean, it's not that much to ask from us, right? Okay guys, now I really need to start packing, so I will see you probably in Belgium.
Come with me, love. My dreams are like stars. Sometimes we
Okay guys, so, well, actually this part of the video deserves its own kind of video, because I think this part is where, as a starting creator, you need to be careful when starting with brand deals. Because when you're starting out, you're gonna get a shitload of emails from, well, different kind of companies that want to have you to represent their company in some kind of way as micro-influencers. Although this is really fun and actually kind of a small ego boost, you also have to be really careful to not be a sellout at this point. The reason I don't do a lot of brand deals is, well, mostly they're fishy or they don't connect with the brand, the personal brand that I'm building right here. For example, I got some about kitchen supplies. Did you see the channel? I mean, did you even look it up when you're sending out that email? So it's either one of those or it's, well, it's just crap, plain crap. So when I do react to an email or when I start working together with a brand, it means that I share the same ideals and the same values of the company. And if that aligns with what I'm doing, then we have a fit and we could do a brand deal. So guys, that might be it. It's a little bit of a different video. I hope you got something out of this. And if you're interested in more of these type of videos, let me know in the comments. I'll be needing a lot of water after this. Sustainable bottles and shit, because I like the climate. Okay, that's it. See you guys in the next one. Inspire, create, and don't forget to share your adventures on Creator Quest on Instagram or at me.